Good evening to you. It's currently 35 degrees, south winds at 15 miles per hour. That temperature is 1 degree warmer than it was last hour, and that's been one of those things we've seen as temperatures today did make a climb into the 40s across parts of the area. We've fallen back into the 30s, 33 at KSNT, 33 in Manhattan, 34 degrees at Linden, but a lot of these numbers were about where they were, if not a degree cooler last hour, still sitting at 31 at Emporia. The south winds were going to help hold temperatures constant, if not warm them up a little bit. The problem with it is it's still a wind. It doesn't matter what direction it's from. It makes it feel like 21 at Emporia, 23 in Junction City, and 25 for Hiawatha and Holton for a wind chill right now. Here's a look at the moisture coming in from the southwest. Just a sprinkle or two across northeast Kansas. This is not going to be a big rain chance for us. It is really turning into just sprinkles or a few showers during the night. If it comes in prior to midnight, maybe a few sprinkles of freezing rain, but not enough really to cause problems, so that's good. We head later in the night, the temperatures will warm above freezing. We'll actually warm up ahead of a cold front that produces a quick cold blast for the area during the middle of the week, and we still have warmer weather ahead by the end of the week. Now, Future Track shows sprinkles this evening right around now. It's just they're not materializing, and what is trying to fall is not reaching the ground. And so that'll push on through during the night, and anything later in the night that might actually stand the chance of reaching the ground would likely be in the form of a few sprinkles of light rain during the morning hours tomorrow. And then we'll dry things out through the daytime tomorrow, even clear a little bit, only to cloud back up. And this time could see a little bit of light snow over the western and southern areas early Wednesday morning. Some of the models bring it all the way up to Topeka, but it should be fairly light as we head into Wednesday morning. Now, those south winds tonight strengthen. Look at this, 5 in the morning. They're blowing at around 20 miles per hour. Turn to the southwest, and then eventually west and northwest as the front approaches. During that time period, breezy and 48 for a high in Topeka, 20-mile-per-hour winds, and we'll call it windy and 49 for Manhattan. Then the winds kick in out of the north, and the changing weather conditions really continue at that point as cold wind chill. This is now looking at Tuesday evening into Tuesday night, 11 p.m., teens and low 20s for a wind chill. It'll feel close to 0 as we head into Wednesday morning, and not a lot of improvement from that point on during the daytime on Wednesday. Having said that, we do have improvement out ahead of us this weekend. Warmer weather for the weekend, highs near 60 on both Saturday and Sunday. So something to look forward to, because in the short term, while tomorrow we do warm up to 48, you put a 20 to 25 mile per hour wind in the mix, and it is not going to feel better tomorrow. It's going to be a chilly wind blowing through the area, maybe a few sprinkles in the morning. And then 15 degrees Wednesday morning, still breezy. Could see some morning snow showers as well, especially for the southern half of the area. A cold Wednesday, a bitterly cold start Thursday with a high in the upper 30s. And then by Friday, we really start to get that taste of spring. 54 on Friday, 60 on Saturday and Sunday, and 64 Monday of next week. Great weekend weather, but it's the weekend we lose an hour of sleep, so it's a little bit of a trade-off there. Nothing worse than springing that clock forward.
By the time you have finished complaining about losing that hour, we're going to be well into next year.
I'd spend an hour complaining about the hour I'm going to lose.
Yeah. All right, thanks.